Before having surgery, it's very important to relax your mind and prepare your body. And one way is to generate heart coherence, which can truly influence better outcomes. Hi, I'm Peggy Sealfon. I'm a personal development coach and author. And for the very first time in my life, I had to have surgery. And I wasn't able to find a guidance online anywhere that really helped prepare me for surgery. So I wanted to create this guidance for you to help keep you positive, to put you in the right state of mind, and allow you to recover more quickly. I'm trained in many Eastern and Western traditions, so what I will share with you is a blend that will serve you the absolute best. So I suggest that you listen to this guidance a couple of times a day, maybe a few days before your surgery, and even the day of surgery will help you. So let's begin. Sit comfortably, or if you can't sit and you want to lie down, that's fine as well. Just be in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. We're going to build your inner resilience. So begin with a nice full deep breath in through your nose and let go with a big sigh. And mindfully relax your shoulders, letting go of all tension, all fears, worries. Release all the muscles in your face. Just let go of all facial expression and allow yourself to just be present in this moment, being here right now. And let's set up this guidance with a most benevolent outcome. And you can say this as many times a day as you like, and it's best to say it out loud. I ask any and all beings to assist me in my surgery, and may the surgeon and staff perform their work perfectly so that I may regain full recovery, and it will be better than I can imagine or expect. Thank you. Just feel the words of that vibrating through your body for a moment. And now let's do this very simple breathing technique. Begin with a nice full deep inhalation through your nose. As you exhale, blow the air out through gently pursed lips as if blowing through a straw. Keep your breath in a slow, steady, uniform stream. Make each exhalation just a little bit longer than each inhalation. And just continue until I tell you to stop. Be engaged in the sound of your own breathing. Breath in. Tension and expectations out. Release all struggles. Release stress, anxiety. Release any pain you may be feeling. Just be engaged in the rhythm of your breath as it comes in and goes out. And now on the next exhalation, hold your breath out for a few beats. And now breathing in, fill your lungs, and hold your breath in the fullness for a few beats. And now blowing out again, empty your lungs completely. And now just allow your breath to resume naturally. Notice any sensations activated in your body from this deep straw breathing technique. And now take a moment to bring all your focus to the middle of your brow center, in the middle of your forehead. This is considered your third eye. It's the seat of integration where mind, body, heart, and spirit come together, and where all the dormant healing powers of your body are released. So just focus on this point for a moment. Place the tongue on the roof of the mouth behind your upper teeth, breathing normally. Just see if you can keep your focus in the center of the brow as you take a moment to drop into relaxation and drop into stillness. And now allow yourself to feel a deep sense of gratitude as you're just aware in this moment of a sense of calmness. And feel gratitude that you're able to have the surgery to fix whatever needs fixing. Feel grateful that there's a solution. And now just allow yourself to respond effortlessly to these affirmations. My mind and body are ready in total calmness and relaxation. And this readiness will allow me to have the absolute best outcome. I accept what is as is. I accept and love myself as I am. Just surrender. Know that your higher self is connecting to a higher power of the source within you, empowering body and mind in ways more expansive than you can even comprehend. Trust that this is happening. Once again, take a nice full deep breath in, let go with another really big sigh. Just letting go of any remaining tensions. In this moment, you are fine. In this moment, you are prepared. In this moment, you are aligned with the most positive outcome. Trust in this place. Be at peace in this moment. And anytime as you're moving closer to the operating room, you may feel moments of anxiety. Just use that breathing that we just did, breathing in through the nose, blowing out through gently pursed lips, to keep yourself in this place of peace and preparedness. And take one more full deep breath in, and as you exhale, just let go with a big sigh. Allow your eyes to open. Allow the world to come back in. I wish you peace and calmness. Be well.